See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-In Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware, and it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-In Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
The Emulster salad dressing mixer is the easiest way to mix and store your own homemade salad dressings. You can use one of your favorite recipes or choose one that we've included on the bottle. There's balsamic vinaigrette, Greek salad dressing, and a honey mustard vinaigrette. When making something simple like the balsamic, pop the top off the emulster to fill with your ingredients. Once you've filled the emulster with your ingredients, replace the top and pull the trigger. The stirring stick blends automatically and easily. When the dressing is fully mixed, pull the top up, but not off, to pour easily and without any mess. For storage, push the top back down and toss the emulster in the fridge until next time.
Tech City's EK6015 digital kitchen scale is the golden standard for food measurement. Slim and compact, it's easy to store and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. The scale can weigh anything up to 11 pounds, making it the perfect kitchen device for your cooking needs. The EK6015 runs on 2 AAA batteries and has a sleek blue LCD display. It also features a smart tare function. Place any empty container on the scale and press tare to easily remove the container's weight from the scale. Find exact measurements right away. Switch between milliliters for water, milliliters for liquids like milk, ounces, pounds, and grams, all with the push of a button. The milk measurement accounts for liquids that have heavier densities. Use the scale to weigh food, jewelry, even postage. Tech City's EK6015 digital kitchen scale helps you build on better living.
Most mornings don't leave a lot of time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.
To use a stem gem strawberry huller, just simply depress the green button. Out comes the claw. And depending on the size of your strawberry, that's how much you will push out or kind of keep it in. In this case, it's a little bit larger, so we'll push it a little bit more. Put it around the stem, let it naturally depress, twist, and you have a perfectly hulled strawberry. And just push out that button to get it right out. Let's do that one more time on a smaller one. Push the button. Out comes the claw. Insert right into there as it naturally kind of pulls right in there. Twist, which is the most important part. Depress, let it go, and it's ready to fill it with chocolate or slice for the next step.